Hello everyone, welcome to this video. This video I will teach you how you can check your visa fine in your mobile or in your laptop from your passport or your Emirates ID. Basically these two things everyone have, your passport copy, your Emirates ID. So I will teach you how you can check your visa fine, overstay fine from your mobile or from your laptop with these two things. So let's start this video. Before start this video, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, for then you can get updated video from this channel. Basically I have before one channel, that channel name Rauf Kashmiri. There I have 20k subscribers, 20,000 subscribers. So that channel is Urdu language. So I decide I will make one channel for that people who understand in English. So I will make these videos in English language. If I did any mistake, so please ignore that because my English is weak. So I will give my best. So this video I will teach you how you can check your visa fine from your passport or your Emirates ID. So let's start this video. First of all, you need to open Google. Here I will do this from my laptop because everyone can do same from your mobile. If you need to do from your mobile, you need to open Google. Then other process is same. Okay. First of all, you need to open Google. Then you write here check visa fine in UAE. You need to type this one and you get here website www.gdrfad.gov.ae fine inquiry service. You just need to click this website. When you click this one, you get this form. So I will tell you how you can check from your passport or your Emirates ID. This basic things everyone have. Okay. First of all, here you see type search tab. So you need to search. If you have passport copy, you just click here passport and write here passport number, nationality, date of birth, gender, and press this one I am not a robot and click submit. Okay. Otherwise, if you have Emirates ID, okay, then you click here Emirates ID. Then you need to write here Emirates ID number and date of birth, gender, and press this one I am not a robot and click submit. So I will check with my Emirates ID. Okay, I will write here my Emirates ID and press the submit. So when you click submit, there is showing your fine. Okay, if you have fine, they're showing your amount and how many days you are overstaying, they're showing. Okay, basically in my Emirates ID there have no any fine, so that's why here showing no any fine. See here, check fine your file those under your sponsorship. Okay, here no showing any fine. If you have overstay fine other fine, here will showing your how many days you are overstaying, how many dirham you have fine, here will showing. So like this you can check your visa fine in from your mobile. You no need to go any typing center anywhere. Just do this one from your mobile. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like this video and press the bell icon so you can get more videos from English language. Thank you.